Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In front of you, I'm Jakarta Alekatusiwa. I'm from IEN boarding school. Now I wanna give a tutorial how to make a character with just with shape, just with shape. Now I wanna make a flat character or vector character. This is so easy, and you can make it very fast. You can make it very fast, and this is very easy for you learn it. And first, you need make a rectangle here like this. Okay. Now, you let the stroke. Use the fill. You can click like your the skin color. Probably I choose this. Click selection tool. Follow my step. Click direct selection tool. Click this and hold and drag like this. Make like a face or head or a head. Make it like head. Okay. Now I will make like this rectangle tool, Ellipse tool. Make like this. Make like this. Okay. The color is like in here. Make it like red. Okay. It's enough. Direction selection tool. Click this anchor, drag up to like this, drag like this, just follow the step, drag like this. Okay, sorry. Okay, done like this. And you can delete the stroke, make it, set the size, minimize this, drop in here. Okay, now done. How you can make the face skin can be can make something good. Okay, like this. Now make the nose. The nose you can make like you can make um, like this, probably like this. I'm sorry, rectangle. Hold this again. Okay, put on here and give the stroke uh 005. I'm sorry, 0 23 25. Or you can delete the stroke and you make the nose is something dark. I'm sorry, delete the stroke, set the color. Okay, done. I'm sorry, make something dark. Okay, set size. Okay, now make the hair. For make the hair, you can make like this. Hold from here up to here. Direction and set the color. I wanna make the color is like this. Set the size. Okay, now click this. Oh, I'm sorry. Command Z. Alt Control Z. Okay, now set the click here, click anchor, click, click. Okay, make like the hair. After make like the hair, you can make the eyes. For make the eyes, you you need some ellipse tool. Set the size. Set like this. Copy and paste. Set the size. Okay. Make the big circle. Make like white. Sorry. Make like white. And you can, after this, you can lock this. Okay. You can select this these two, copy and paste, put in here, and done. This is the eyes. Oh, I'm sorry. Open the lock. Set the size and more small. Okay, done. Now make the body. Body you can make like this. You can make like this, or for easier you can make like rectangle tool. Make a square. Set the color. I choose this. You can change it with this direct selection tool. I'm sorry, make like, okay, make like this. Now make this is behind the face. Click this, drop, hold and drop up to here. Now done. Okay. Now make the hand. Make like hold rectangle tool in like this here. Now make like this. Okay. Now make the hand. For make the hand you need this. Set the size. Make it behind here. Behind here. Okay. Now for the color. For the color you can copy with face. Done. Now make many make a finger. Now make the finger. Okay, make like this. Okay, copy and paste. You can copy and paste up to 4. Sorry. Make like 4. Make it like same. Okay. Now paste it again. Make like this. Or like this. It's okay. Okay, enough. Now after make the head you can copy and paste. Go to property, back like this and like this. Click this. Set the hand. Now click this. Okay, like this. Okay, now done. Now for the foot, rectangle tool, make like this. uh, behind this. Okay, for the color, like jeans color, copy and paste. Selection tool, now set the layer button here. Now done. Like this. And for the t-shirt, you can make a logos like some star tool, like this. Now set the size, set the color. For example, the color is like this. Now done. You can make a simple character vector, like simply you can make like this. It is for so simply. This all for me. Thank you for the attention. Apologize if something that I say wrong. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.